2, 3. Check out all of our Paw Patrol today. They brought all of their own bowling pins. Look how cool all these are. But if you guys are going to play bowling, you are going to need some skateboards or something to be able to run into them. Oh no, what are you guys going to do without your skateboards? Oh no. How can I fix this? I know how to fix it. Watch this, everyone. Woohoo! Look at what I did. Oh, look what he did. Look, we got our skateboards. Let's put all of our Paw Patrol on their awesome skateboards. Chase gets his blue skateboard with yellow wheels. Marshall gets his red skateboard with yellow wheels. Rubble gets his yellow skateboard with black wheels. Zuma has an orange skateboard with blue wheels. Rocky has a green skateboard with blue wheels. And Sky has a pink skateboard with like dark pink wheels. Look, now we're gonna be able to play bowling with all of them. So here we go, you guys. Let's see. Let's set up your bowling pins. There. And look, we have Sky first, so that means it's Sky's turn. Woohoo! All right, Sky, are you ready? Yeah, I am. All right, here we go with Sky. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, good job, Sky. You knocked down 4 bowling pins. Woohoo, good job. Thanks. You're welcome, Sky. Okay, let's set up our pins again. There we go. And look who's first this time. It's Rocky. It's my turn, everyone. That's right, Rocky. Okay, here I go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Rocky, you knocked down 4 just like Sky. Good job. Thanks. You're welcome, Rocky. I wonder if anyone's gonna get more than 4. We just have to wait and see. Okay, we set up our pins again and look who's first. It's Marshall. All right, Marshall, you have your flaming hat and you're ready to go bowling. Yeah, I am. Watch this, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Marshall, that was bad luck. You swerved at the end. Should we give Marshall another chance? Okay, let's give Marshall another try. Here we go, Marshall. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Marshall. Okay, look, we're gonna turn your head like that and maybe you'll go straight this time. 1, 2, 3. Good job, Marshall. You knocked down 3 of them. Yay! Let's get another Paw Patrol up here then. Okay, who's this? It's their turn. It's Zuma. Zuma, are you ready? Yeah, I am. I want to get a strike. Yeah, you do. You can do it, Zuma. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Zuma, you only knocked down 2. That's okay. Okay, we only have 2 Paw Patrol left. So our next one's going to be Rubble. Rubble on the double. You can do it, Rubble. I believe in you. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, Rubble, you only knocked down 2 as well. Let's see here. Okay, Chase, you are our last Paw Patrol. Can you do it? I'm gonna try. All right, here you go. 1, 2, 3. Chase only knocked down 2 too. You know what? Paw Patrol, you need to go faster. Here, I got an idea. Let's get all of our Paw Patrol together. Are you ready for this? All right, 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Good job, Paw Patrol. You got a strike. And you know how they got a strike? By working together. All of them together were able to knock down all of the Paw Patrol pins. Good job, you guys. You did so good. Woohoo! I love working together with all of my Paw Patrol. That's really nice, Rubble. Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay, well, that's it with our story and having fun bowling. But let's see what's going to happen next. Okay, I think we should open it up and see what's all inside. All right, you ready? Wow! Do you see all of that Pez in there? Ooh, what else is in there? Hi guys! Look at this awesome cool Pez microwave we have today. There's so much Pez in it too. Okay, I think we should open it up and see what's all inside. All right, you ready? Wow! Do you see all of that Pez in there? Ooh, what else is in there? We found Rubble from Paw Patrol with his cute yellow hat. We also have Sky. She has her cute pink little goggles she uses to fly her helicopter. Let's see who else is in here. We have Chase. He has his cute, his cute police hat. Let's see who else. There's a few more in here. Look, here's Rocky. He has his cute green baseball cap. He always holds up that one paw. Let's see who else. Here's Zuma. He has his orange helmet on, and he likes to sit down. And look, we have one more. This is Marshall, and he has his red firefighter helmet on. Cute. Let's make sure we have enough room here for all of our Paw Patrol. And here's our microwave with all this Pez. Okay, pull all that Pez out. Make sure we can close the door good. There we go. And now, let's do some magic with this microwave. Like, look. Let's start with Marshall. Boop, boop, boo-doo-doo. So we're gonna put Marshall in there. And we have to add a couple Pez's. Let's add this Pez. Boop. Okay, are you ready? We're gonna close it. And we're gonna use our favorite button. Our favorite button is the pizza button. It's our favorite button. So let's press that and see what happens. Oh my goodness! Look what we got from Marshall and Pez. We got Owlette. Oh, look how cute she is. She has her cute pink insides of her little wings and then red on the outside. She has little pink in places. Oh, look how cute. She has brown eyes. Oh, well, that's what we got from Marshall. Let's see, let's do that again. But this time, let's use Zuma. Let's put Zuma in there. And ooh, look. Let's use some orange. Let's use some orange Pez. Boop. All right, with our favorite button. Here we go. Oh my goodness, look what Zuma turned into. Oh my goodness, look, Zuma turned into an orange dinosaur. What on earth? Look at all those horns. It looks like a triceratops. That's funny. Alright, well there's our orange. We got red from Marshall and orange from Zuma. Let's see, who should we do next? How about Rebel? We can go in rainbow order. So Rebel's next. And let's use some yellow Pez. It's lemon flavored. Okay, you ready? Pizza button, here we go. Oh my goodness, what is that spinning in there? Something, a yellow round thing? What is that? Oh my goodness, look, it's a cute little duck. Quack. It's a little duck, little bobble kind of spinny thing. That's really funny. Well, there's our yellow thing. Let's see, what do we have after yellow? We have green. So let's put green in there. And let's see, what color should we do? How about we do orange and yellow? That'll be cool. Boop. Alright, here we go with Rocky and our pizza button. Oh my god, what? Ooh, we got another dinosaur. This one's green, just like Rocky. He's a little more scary looking. Let's put him back here by our other dinosaur. Okay, look, we have 2 Paw Patrol left. So let's do Chase next. He's blue. So let's use some purple Pez in there with him. Are you ready? Pizza button, here we go. Oh my, look at that. We got a Chase Pez dispenser from Chase. Okay, should we see what's inside? It's Pez, look. Pez, Pez. Oh my goodness. Look at all these Pez. Nice, that's a fun surprise. Okay, we only have 1 Paw Patrol left, and it's Sky. So we're gonna put raspberry pink Pez in with Sky. Alright, with our pizza button. Yay, look, here's our last surprise. It's Sky as a Pez dispenser. And it looks like she has Pez. Nice. Okay, let's look at everything we got. We got Owlette from PJ Masks. Whoops. We got this funny orange dinosaur, this yellow duck, a green dinosaur, Pez Dispenser Chase, and Pez Dispenser Sky. Those are some awesome surprises we found. Alright, say bye to everyone. Bye.
Bye-bye. Please subscribe.
Time to watch more videos.